Well, once you get all the parts out of the box, you've got composite nut and bolt and a couple washers. The washers go on the lower shaft, or the fiber composite lower shaft, one on each side. And that's got a nice insert that slips into. Make sure they're in there nice and firm. That then slides onto the search coil, ears is what we call them. And it takes a little bit to get that lined up just right so that your bolt will go through. You've got your, you only want to use the non-metal bolt and nut to secure this. A metal one will cause you some problems with the tuning on the search coil. So we get that bolt and nut on there. Oh, there we go. And you want to make that just finger tight. You want it to be able to adjust the angle of that coil as you're moving along, but you want it to hold that pretty good. So we got our bolt on there. We're going to wrap the cable first revolution over the top of the rod, and that's just to keep that from hanging up on the brush and getting in the way. I'm going to wind it up here like so. We've got a spring clips that will compress and line up to one of the adjustment holes here, and it'll lock into place. And then if you want to adjust it, you just squeeze those and move it to one of the other positions. Again, the cable's just to be nice and tidy. It'll only fit one way, and you only want to put that in finger tight. The arm cup bolt comes out, and you can, there's a couple different positions for adjusting the arm cup. The arm cup strap, some people like it, some people don't. There's a T-end on one end, which will lock into that arm cup, goes through the other slot, and then folds over onto itself. Normally you want to keep that loose enough you can bring your arm in and out without adjusting it each time. Then we just got to put the batteries in it. It's got a little tab there in the battery door. Pull it up, pull it out. If you'll look, you'll see the plus and minus inside, marked inside the battery compartment. And pay attention to the batteries and the plus and minuses. Two AA batteries will run about 20 hours here. And close the door up, and we're ready to go metal detecting.